Hello everyone, Ben Meyer with Meyer Auction Service showing you a John Deere 2030 with a 145 John Deere loader coming up in our online only auction, part of the Christopherson Estate, just south of Huron, South Dakota. Wow, the beautiful acreage here, and just had this tractor here, had the tiller on it to work his garden up. Had a really nice big garden. The tiller sells separately, but I'm just doing a little video walk around here, this 2030, and I'm going to start it up for you so you can hear it run. The seat is a little tore up, but it's a tractor. It's an older John Deere 2030. I'll jump on, like I said, start it up for you there. You can see your hydraulics there. It does have PTO. And I'll jump up here and start this one-handed with my cell phone. Hopefully this works. Ground that one a little bit. So there you go. Check it out, benmeyerauctions.com. Place your bids today. The tractor starts it up, runs good. I did find in the garage, I found the original tack on it. Shows 5,026 hours. This one has been replaced, shows 33 hours. So this is a little over 5,000 hour tractor, I would guess. That's from what I can tell here. So check it out, benmeyerauctions.com. Thanks for looking, and good luck bidding.